Alright YouTubers, quick cooking. This is cream cheese. I've let it sit out and soften a little bit, so hopefully it'll work a little bit better. So in goes the cream cheese. Maybe. When I get it all in there, I'll show you. Alright, got the cream cheese in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder in. Next we got some bacon. I'm going to cut it down really small. I won't make you watch it. Alright, that was 4 strips of bacon. And it's going to go in as such. And now I have some onion. There's a good chance I didn't get any of that in there. Alright, and now the onion goes in. That's kind of it for this. Now we're just going to mix it up real well. It might take a few minutes. And put a little bit more garlic salt. Garlic powder. I'm using garlic powder. You can use garlic salt if you want. Pretty simple, right? I think it needs more bacon. Yeah, it needs more bacon. I'm going to do some more. Alright, one more piece. And okay, I'm going to break up a little bit more. If you nuke this for 20 or 30 seconds, it makes the cream cheese a lot easier to mix up. So now I'm just breaking it up. My hands are here, and then I get to lick my fingers because they're going to be bacony. Mixity mix mix. Alright, now I'm going to set that out of the way. I'm going to do this on a plate. What I have now are just normal biscuits. So we're going to open up these biscuits. I always hate trying to open these things. I know it's easy, but I always struggle. There we go. Stretch them out a little bit. I'm going to take some of the filling, plop the filling in there. Alright, you get the idea. 2. And I'll keep going with these. Stretching them out, filling them and rolling them. Alright, we'll come back. I don't need to keep showing this, right? Right. Alright, doing up the last one. Oh, the last one's always the biggest or the smallest, depending on how much stuff you made. Now, next step. Move. It's NuWave mini time. Bam. And now we'll put these suckers on. I don't know if they're all going to fit and how much expanding they're going to do. Because like I said, I've never made these. Now we're going to do cook time at 350. We'll do 13 minutes. Alright, we'll come back. Those look pretty darn good. Kind of grew together a little bit, but I'm going to flip them and give them a couple more minutes. Absolutely need more time. Give them 5 more minutes. Alright. I'm gonna take the foil off. We're at 18 minutes and it needs more time. Alright, cook time. Another 6 minutes. Alright, so 6 more minutes is going to make it 24 minutes total. We'll see how it turns out. Let's see, let's take these out. Ooh, they look pretty good. Pick one off here. I think it's done. Put it down. Now I'm going to taste it. Oh man. It really turned out good. Alright, now got a little sriracha. I'm going to give a little smiley face. Can you see the smiley face? I think you can. Alright, They were really good without sriracha, and they're really good with sriracha. Hope you enjoyed. Quick and easy. Have a great and wonderful day.